Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can do body flips in Skate 4. So you will need to get some speed, otherwise you will not be able to do body flips. So let's get started. Right here, I need to get some speed. So let's get up right here and set a session point. And as you can see, if we drop down this and hold RT and the joysticks, we will do front flip. You'll need to get the momentum to land it, but it's not that hard to do a body flip. As you can see, you'll need to get some more air, otherwise it won't let you do it. So get some speed again. Let's try to do a front flip. Okay, so you'll get the idea how to do the body flips. Let's try again. As you see, we did backflip. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys, and see you in the next one. Peace.